All right, I got it on. It looks funny because this is like super clean and the rest of the truck is dirty. But what I'm gonna do, what I plan to do, is I'm gonna take the doors off individually and paint those. Then take it to the shop. I paid this one dude to fix my truck, but he got over on me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's rust bubbles. Now I paid for him to cut all that rusty stuff out. It's a little worse on the other side. See, let me try to get out I want all that stuff cut out. And this little spot right there, I want that cut out. And this down here. But I'm gonna paint from the door on up. Well, actually, I got the fenders done already. I'm gonna take this hood off so I don't have to tape the whole truck up. Sand it down. I got a little bad spot right here. Just dust some color on that and clear the whole hood again. Waiting on the bumper. The bumper I ordered come in all messed up, so I gotta send it back. But that's it. I'm about to get cleaned up. Watch The Walking Dead. Y'all enjoy y'all Sunday.